Supposed to do all the labor, of course. Are you gonna hurt him? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. It'll give him something to talk about, like when he's
When his fingers are missing?
yes, when we're in court.
Yeah.
We didn't say to do that.
We do have 4.5 quarts of the 530 Chevron Spring back to the safe zone today, okay?
Great,
All right.
thank you. And it's clean again, yay.
My teammate just said that you are missing 2 brake adjustment plugs. There are little rubber plugs that go in the rear brakes. Keep all the dirt and the moisture out, can prevent a premature brake failure. They are $1 to replace each. Should we replace those? All right, get those started for you right now. And ahead, welcome.
Then I guess you take me home, you wait at the house. They're going to measure my sunroom plus my kitchen.
Oh, they're coming?
Yeah, in about 30 minutes. Then I'll go pick up those kids. Then I have to pick up Brittany too.
So I do have a few things for your air filtration system. So vehicle's engine air filter, the cleaner this is, the better the gas mileage. It is $15.67 to replace. Shall I show you a new one today?
Yeah, let me see the new one.
Okay, I'll show you a new one right now. And also a little breather air filter. It's like a secondary air filter. It reduces the amount of combustions that are inside the engine. This one is $7.99 to replace. Shall I replace that for you as well?
No, I don't.
Okay, we'll put that back for you.
I just want to see what a new one looks like.
That didn't look too dirty.
And the vehicle is also equipped with a PC